The newest additions to Crestron Flex are the result of 40 years of experience creating, supporting, and installing workplace technology. Crestron Flex has been designed to make everyone's job easier, from installation to deployment to end use. Each form factor delivers the ability to run native Microsoft Teams and Zoom meetings with one-touch functionality. The flexibility that allows coworkers, vendors, or clients to use their own laptops to host meetings, webinars, or presentations. The simplicity of one cable installation and cloud-based deployment at scale that positively impacts the total cost of your system. Let's use the BX30T Flex solution as an example. Industry standard cabling ships with each product. A pre-wired UC bracket makes it a cinch to set up with minimal connections needed to just plug in. PoE makes setting up the head unit simpler. In under 5 minutes, your space is ready to go. Now let me show you how this works at scale. Let's use the example of deploying 100 units via Crestron's XIO Cloud Management Platform. Load the CSV file. This includes all device IP and MAC addresses needed for device setup. Configure device settings, and push settings to all devices globally. Plug a connected unit in. Let it boot up and show how it goes. What's next? Just have your techs plug it in and move on to the next room. The Crestron XIO Cloud Platform will notify you of any problem, and your support staff can manage settings remotely, all via remote control. The ability to have one-touch join with either Microsoft Teams or Zoom. The flexibility to use any platform in any room. The simplicity of one cable installation and cloud-based management. The right product for any space. Crestron Flex, it's that simple.